I've been using a vertical mouse for about 2.5 months now. And I can tell you for sure, I'm not going back to regular mouses right now. Before going any further, if you want to know why they are good for health, check out this video. Let's start by the design. The Anker is made out of plastic for the exterior, but that matte finish doesn't make it feel cheap in any regards. The Anker logo is at the back, and speaking about it, with time it'll fade out, which is not beautiful if you ask me. It's there to remind you that there's nothing premium about it, but it's nothing that I think about it every day. The left, right, and middle buttons are well positioned, and some may say that the side keys are either too high or too low. This is kinda subjective. The distance between the middle of my palm and the juncture of my distal and proximal phalanx is about 2.5. That's the same distance between the line in the back and the middle of these two buttons. So from my utilization, I'd prefer them to be slightly lower, but that would have caused accidental presses. Can I say that they are perfectly placed then? Maybe yes. I also like that red curved line that I'm pretty sure used the internal lead and not a dedicated one, because it would have been brighter. The fits are slippery enough, so I have no complaints about that whatsoever. Now, to the functionalities. It has 5 usable buttons by Windows: left, right, middle, front and back, 3 if you use macOS, left, right and middle. Unfortunately, the 6th button is there to change the sensitivity of the sensor. Clicking it will change it to either 1000 or 1500 dpi on the wired version, 800, 1200 or 1600 for the wireless version. The Anker vertical mouse is overall a well-designed ergonomic mouse that helps reduce waist movements and hence the chance of developing carpal tunnel syndrome and any RSI. And no, even though I use my computer quite a lot, I haven't had any problems, at least that I know of, about my wrist. But it's not a problem until it becomes one, so that's why I am using one right now. For under $20 though, it's an economical vertical mouse that's perfect for people who have always been curious about the ergonomic benefits of a vertical mouse. And I wish you also start to use one. So that's it for today's video. A like or subscribe will be much appreciated. Thanks for watching.